Hi guys, welcome back to Matt Videos. Today I'm going to be doing an oil change on my mum's 2003 Vauxhall Zafira, which in its 137,000 mile life has never had an oil change. Yeah, wish me luck. On the video time frame it will be about 30 seconds, but that has taken me a good hour and a half to take off, and I'll tell you what, it is cruddy. There is literal, it's just, I don't know if you can see it now, you probably can't, but it's just full of dirt. It looks so mucky in there, so I think that is well overdue a change. So that can go in the old pan with the rest of the crap, and onto the new one. So I'm actually amazed by the oil itself. It's not actually as bad as I thought it would be. It's got flecks in it, but apart from that it's very clear, very runny. No cause of concern there. So there we go guys, the oil has been changed, the car runs. Actually it idles a bit better, which is, well, not surprising really. I mean, the amount of crud that was in that oil filter. Surprisingly the oil wasn't as bad as I thought it would be, but I guess we could just say that it's probably one of GM's finest engines. How about that? So I hope you like the video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.